A lending library. Children, lending. Here the hidden term is lend. I hope you have heard the terms lend, borrow. Lend means
Yes.
उधार देना,
देना.
किसी को उधार देना. And borrow means किसी से उधार लेना. Right? So lending library. So lending library would mean the library which gives you books on rent, on udhar. That is what a meaning of lending library. Like in our school is not the school library is not a lending library, as we do not charge anything from you for the books, right? But there are some libraries available outside the school campus, outside the college campus, where the library will issue you book and will charge you something for it. On rent, you can get books. So such kind of libraries are called lending libraries. Okay. So a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Now, what does it mean when we say for the first 3 days? First 3 days means even if you need a book for 1 day, you will have to pay the charge for the 3 days itself. Even if you need a book for 5 hours, you will have to pay the minimum charge which is applicable for the first 3 days. So that means if you borrow a book for 1 hour till 3 days, 3 days means 72 hours, the charge is going to be same. Okay? Suppose Rian needs a book for 5 hours, Ria Jacob needs it for 15 hours, Prince needs it for 1 day, Goranshi needs it for 3 days, but all of them will have to pay the same charge. All of them will have to say the same charge. That is the meaning of fixed charge for 3 days. Clear? And an additional charge for each day thereafter. Suppose you want to give it for 4 days. So for 3 days, the amount will be included in the fixed charge. And for 4th day, there will be an extra charge. Okay, beta? Suppose I want to give it for 5 days. So for 3 days, the minimum charge is to be paid. And for the next 2 days, charge per day. Are you getting my point, children? What I'm trying to explain you?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, given, Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. As always, I would first say, let us define the variables and reread the question. In the question, we have to find 2 things. And the 2 things are the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So let us define that. Let us first of all define that. Let fixed charge and this fixed charge is for 3 days. Let the fixed charge for 3 days be rupees X and additional charge per day be rupees Y. Okay. Now, children, please pay attention. We are given that Sarita keeps a book for 7 days. Now, in 7 days, we know how it is going to be bifurcated.
Ma'am, 3 days plus 4 extra days.
3 plus 4.
8 plus 4 days. Right? For 3 days, she is paying a fixed charge. What is that fixed charge?
X.
Ma'am, X.
X.
And for 4 days, the charge is paid as per daily basis, as on daily basis.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Y
Ma'am,
rupees.
Y.
For 1 day, Y.
For Y.
So for 4
Ma'am,
days,
4Y.
and what is this total charge should come out to be?
Ma'am,
27.
repeat 27.
27.
According to question, the fixed charge for a day for 3 days plus charge for 4 extra days is coming out to be 27. जी बेटा. And Susie, she is keeping a book for 5 days. Now, how are you going to divide these 5 days?
3 days, 2 days.
3 and 2.
3 days, because for 3 days the charge is fixed, which is going to be X. And for 2 days the charge is going to be yes, bacha. Are you please clear with the equations form?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, you can write here and break it for yourself. That 7 days is divided as 3 plus 4, because 3 is fixed. And here 5 days as 3 plus 2, again 3 is fixed. Okay? I hope the concept is clear to you. Ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us solve it for X and Y. Should we be adding or subtracting?
Ma'am, subtract.
Subtract, there will be change of sign. So this will go off. 4y minus 2y is 2y. 27 minus 21 is 6. Which gives me y equal 3. Now from the next equation, let us take either 1 or 2, whichever suits you. Let's say from 2, x is 21 minus 2y, which is 21 minus 2 into 3. 21 minus 6, which is 15.
Ma'am, 15.
Yes.
So we are getting the fixed charge is rupees 15, and the additional charge thereafter will be rupees 3 per day. You can cross check. When you are keeping the book for 5 days, for 2 days the charge will be 2 into 3, 6.
Ma'am,
6
3.
6
15.
plus 15, 21. You are keeping it for 4 extra days. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 27. So your conditions are satisfied. Thus, fixed charge is equal to rupees 15 and charge per day okay